Hey guys, welcome to Miss Jia's channel. I'm starting this new channel which will include vlogs, makeup, beauty, skincare, haul videos, and I hope you support my channel by subscribing on it. And with that being said, I'm doing this almost makeup tutorial for beginners makeup look, which is under 300 rupees. So I hope you like the video, and for that let's just watch the video. Skincare, I have only one recommendation for you guys, and that is the Pond's Light Moisturizer. I use this every time and anytime before doing my makeup. Take a good amount of it. So what it does is it's not only a moisturizer or a cream, it also kind of gives you that blurry effect, just like a primer does. It is not exactly like a primer, of course it is a cream, but it definitely gives you a blurry effect. And after you're done with applying the moisturizer or the cream, pat into your skin, just push it into your skin so it settles down really good, and wait for at least 30 seconds, or it depends on you however minutes you want to wait, but let's just wait and then begin with our makeup. So if you are a BB cream kind of person, then I will suggest you the Pond's White Beauty BB Plus cream in the shade 01 Original. I have only used this BB cream till now. I'm almost 23 and I have only used one BB cream in my entire life. I like this BB cream because it gives you a very natural finish, just like a skin-like texture, skin-like finish. For foundation, I have two recommendations for you guys. I think most of the YouTubers have taken this name, that is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's for 299 rupees, or उससे ज़्यादा कम नहीं होता है, I think. Yeah, so it's directly under 300 rupees, so you can give it a try. It's a matte finish, and also if you're a dry skin type, you need to moisturize your face really well. You need to put a lot of lotions on your skin so that you don't feel dry or matte, because I know that dry skin type people likes glowy skin effect type of skin. Second recommendation that I have for you guys is one of my favorite, my most favorite, and that is the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. Why I love this foundation is because this is 100% matte, and since I'm an oily skin type, you don't actually need to set the foundation with a loose finishing powder or a setting powder. Basically, most of the foundation comes with a pump, which I don't like. It's not up to my liking, but this one has a spatula. What do you say this? Very handy, to be honest. It's not a very travel friendly foundation because it's made of a glass and the cap is not very secure, but yeah, I love this. The total price of this foundation is actually 475 rupees, but you always get it on discount at around 279 or 299, so it also comes exactly under 300 rupees. I think I'm gonna need a little bit more since I'm having some breakouts. Since you're just a beginner, I mean most of you are not, but I'm doing this tutorial for the beginners, so since you're a beginner, don't apply too much foundation on your face. Go very slowly with your hands. Also foundation, because if you use too much, then it's gonna be a problem for you, because I know I have struggled with it. Being a beginner isn't easy, okay? Also, the beauty blender that I'm using along with the brushes that I'm going to use are from the Amazon, which also is under 300 rupees. I think I got it for around 270, 280 or 290 rupees. I don't exactly remember, but I'm gonna give the link in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. For the concealer, I'm gonna go with the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 05 Medium Moin. So the concealer is very liquidy, to be honest. What I don't like about this concealer is it's a very travel friendly, in a low budget kind of a concealer, but what I don't like is that it just creases a lot. This concealer comes for rupees 199, but in Nykaa it's always on discount, 5% or 10% discount. Since I have used it for a long time, I know that it just oxidizes a little bit, Yeah, so going through the point oxidizing, it does oxidize a little bit. At least on my skin it does. So I prefer you go with one shade lighter than your skin tone. To set the face, I'm gonna go with a compact powder, and I'm not gonna use any Maybelline or Lakme compact powder because I think everybody uses it. It's not only about the makeup, to generally to go out also people use a Maybelline or Lakme compact powder. So today I'm going to use the Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact SPF 20 Vitamin E Shea Butter, and I'm in the shade Natural 02. So what I love about this compact powder is just it sets your face. It only does that. उसके अलावा ये कुछ नहीं करता है. You can actually see that my face is oxidizing a little bit. I hope you can see that. So let's move on to eyebrows, and for eyebrows I'm taking the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade 02 dark brown. Pencil comes in with a spoolie, which is a great thing. The only thing that disappoints me is that you have to sharpen this pencil. That is the only con that I find, the only disadvantage that I find in this pencil. It might not be a disadvantage to other people, but it is for me. But otherwise this pencil is really good. It's a very budget friendly pencil. So beginners can definitely use it, but make sure that you go on with a very light hand because it's quite pigmented. So my eyebrows are done, which brings on to the next thing is the eyeshadows. And for the eyeshadow I have a multi-purpose palette, which is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. This is how the packaging looks like. It's in the shade 02. So there are 9 shadows in here, and let me tell you, these shadows are very pigmented for this amount of price. So this palette is quite affordable, plus it contains all the shadows that a beginners need. It contains peaches, it contains pinks, it contains dark browns, light browns, shimmer shadows. So first let's go with this light brown shade. I have quite a bit of fallout, so make sure you dust off the excess. So I brought you just a little bit closer so that you can know what's going in my eyes. So you can hardly see because I have gone with a very light handle. So now I'm gonna go with this mauvey kind of a shade. So this is how my eyes looks like after I applied the mauvey color. This shade right here, this is a very goldenish, not exactly goldenish, it's like copper kind of a shade. Can you see how blinding that is? So the look that I'm going for is a very basic look. Can you see? Okay, so this is how my eyes looks like. So beautiful. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I don't usually go for lower lashes because it looks a little bit on. For this shade right here, it's like not into you kind of shade. Okay, so I'm not gonna go with any eyeliners or kajal because I'm gonna keep this look very simple. But you can go with the Maybelline eyeliner, the Lakme eyeliner, which comes for I think 110 rupees. अभी भी नया एक eyeliner निकला है iconic का. उसका मुझे price one पता नहीं. I don't have that eyeliner. But if you wanna go a little funky, if you wanna go a little crazy with the looks, then you can go for this 2 eyeliners. This is also by Lakme. This is the shade blue and this is in the shade golden. Golden is very pretty. Blue is kind of a very neon kind of a blue. Also the blue is very kind of like a watery texture. So I'm gonna go with a mascara. You can go for the iconic mascara or my favorite one, the Maybelline, the Hypercurl Lash Mascara. Now I already have long lashes, so I don't like to go with falsies most of the time. So this is the one that I put on mascara, and this is without the mascara. As you can see, this eye, it looks very pretty, very open. So you can actually see the volume and this length that this mascara gives. Okay, so I am actually done with my eyes, and now I'm gonna move on to my base or face, the contouring, the bronzing, the blushes. This is all gonna happen with just this eyeshadow palette, as I don't want to use any additional makeup things, because let's be very honest, it becomes very pricey for a beginner if you go for everything in once. Even if these things are all under 300 rupees, it becomes very pricey in the total. So yeah, so to bronze my face or to contour your face, you can use this brown shadow. For the blush, you can use this 3 shadows. It looks very natural. You can go with the darker one, you can go with the lighter one, and you can also go with the lightest one. For me, I'm gonna take this middle one. So I like to go on with the same brush for my blush and if I'm using a contour or a bronzer, because it kind of synchronizes or mixes the face. Okay, so the blush is done, and I'm gonna use the same shadow that I use on my lid as my highlighter. So lastly, lipstick लगाने का time आ गया है. So there are a lot of lipsticks under 300 rupees. You can go for the Lakme, you can go for Nykaa, you can go for Maybelline. There are a lot of lipsticks, okay? And for today, I'm gonna use this Nykaa. This is a very shimmer kind of a lipstick. It will go well with my look, eye look. It has this mauvey reddish kind of a thing. You can also use it on your lids. So we have come to the end, and I think this look turned out very well, very pretty. It's a very basic minimum look. Also, I'm hoping that I give you more information, more knowledge on makeup, although I'm not a makeup artist or not a beauty guru. Because of experience that I have with makeup and beauties and skincares, problems, wellness, vlogs का मुझे इतना नहीं आता. I want to share with you guys. I want to expand my knowledge. मेरी मम्मी बोलती है कि आप जितना knowledge देते हो उतना ही knowledge आपको भी आता है. So that's what I'm trying to do with this YouTube channel. And I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है. अगर आपको पसंद आया है तो लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा. And I hope you support my channel by subscribing it and also hitting the bell notification so you do not miss any of my videos whenever I upload. Today I'm signing off, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.